What's up, everybody? A little tool haul today on Milwaukee tools. As you can see, we got the Milwaukee M12 heated jacket. Look forward to using that. The wife will. And we've got this new M12 fuel ratchet. It's a 3/8, and of course the little boot to go over it. Pretty excited about getting this stuff. Alright guys, here's the M12 ratchet, the fuel, the new one. Can't tell you how much I've been looking forward to this item especially. Well, first thing I know is it's got a pretty beefy zipper handle. That's good. That's a good sign. Milwaukee M12 fuel 3/8 inch ratchet. Let's see what we got in here. Well, it looks like we're going to have the charger. And we're going to have two batteries. There's one here. I still can't get over the fact that this provides 55 pounds of torque and lasts a while, and the power behind this little battery. I just couldn't believe it when I first heard of this a few months ago, but it seems to be true. Good job, Milwaukee. Okay, let's just get this to the meat of this. Assuming I can get it out, that is. Got the battery, one of the other batteries already here. You can see it's got the light, as we said. These are the exhaust ports. Gear mechanism, motors in here. It's got a pretty comfortable grip. This is the 3/8. And I know it's got this lockout, so if you've got it in a toolbox or something, you won't run the battery out. Okay, we'll turn this off. See, these batteries have not been charged. It's pretty neat. Here's your handle. Here's your reverse. I like how that's pretty well smooth, so it won't get hung up on stuff. Light. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm really excited about getting this. That's the new Milwaukee M12 3/8 inch ratchet. Battery powered. One other thing, I got the boot too to go on this, which slips over here. I probably won't be able to get it on now that we're filming. Alright, I got it on. I had to shut the camera off because that took some effort, folks. Once you're on, you're on. But you really got to pull because you don't want to put no lubricant or nothing up in there. It's going to be trapped in there today. But it's on. What do you think? It's pretty good, huh? Like I said, I'm excited to have this Milwaukee line and this ratchet because I can use a converter to go down to 1/4 inch or up to 1/2 inch. I've got converters if I need to. So this is a good one, right in the middle. All right, here's going to be your batteries and your charger for the M12 heated jacket. Supposed to be water repellent, nice and warm even without the heater on. The water repellent is the big kicker here, being up in the Seattle area. This is the Milwaukee M12 heated jacket. Comes with a charger and 2 batteries. Looks like it's even partially shrunk wrap. Of course, it's got all your instructions. It's not too hard though. Like I said, this is probably the batteries, the charger. And yes, this is actually for Mama because she walks a long distance from her work, from a parking garage, and wanted a heated jacket. And what a guy I am to get her a Milwaukee one, right? Hey, I even told her these run extremely small. She was just going to get an XL so it would be nice and comfortable, but I told her these are real small. She ought to go for a 2X. Hint, hint.
Yeah.
And then, of course, you're just going to unzip right here. That's going to be where you plug in the outer red piece, and then the battery slips out from inside of that. And it goes back in the pocket there, and you zip it up. Now you can buy a 3-amp battery to go with this, and it still be compact. If you get into the 4 amps, they're not as compact, but it can be done. There's going to be where you turn it on and off. See, that's going to be high. And then if she pushes it again, it'll go to medium. And then push it again, it'll go to low. And push it again, and it'll go off. So I hear really good reviews on these. We'll find out. Lots of pockets in them. They look very warm even without the battery. They're lined right. They're water repellent. Okay, I said it come with 2 batteries. I was thinking of my ratchet. It comes with 1 battery, but I'm going to buy a 3-amp larger one. And here's a little charging port if you want to charge your phone in your jacket too. It's got a USB charging port here. It's got a battery level indicator. Somewhere here we'll find it. There it is. You push it on the top, and there's your indicator. It should be 4 bars. And then you can plug your cell phone, your USB cord in, and you can pull it out from among many little cutouts that are cut out inside of here. It's like there's one there, and then there's several inside the jacket. Like here's one way over here, some up here, so you can charge your cell phone too. You've got your front pockets all open. Really a nice little jacket here. All right, guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.